Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Let's see if I can pull this up again. Hold on. The product, Pemko 2891, the outer door seal. And the question that I have is that seal should obviously remain unbroken from, the top of the frame and the sides of the frame. That seal should be continuous. The question I have, I just walked onto a job and something doesn't look right to me, and they have the seal, the aluminum and the silicone itself. You know what this product looks like. And they have it cut because they put the closers in on the doors and the frame first, and they simply cut the seal to go around where the mounts are for the arm bracket at the frame. Is that the correct way, or is the seal supposed to go in first and then the closers put in after the fact for a continuous seal? Am I right or wrong about that? Do you have an opinion or any knowledge of that?
Yes to all. I have knowledge, and I have extremely firm knowledge and an even firmer opinion. So
okay.
the 2891 is what we would call hardware compatible. So
right.
Is it correct the way it's done right now? I won't answer that, but I'll say there's a more correct way to do it. So depending on, it depends on how it got installed that way is who's going to be responsible. It could have been the hardware detailer. But you would never use a 2891 when you're going to cut it. It's literally meant to put your strikes to put your parallel arm brackets to. It's meant for that, so that your seal is not only continuous, but it gives you a more elegant look when it's all said and done.
Yeah, my only concern would be the smoke and the weather and any kind of, whatnot, and what they've done on this particular job, and I'm thinking this can't be right. I'm familiar with the seals going on first, and then the other hardware, the closers going on second, because we want the continuous seal. When the door is closed, I want that sealed off. And I'm looking at this job, and it looks like they've put every single closer on first. And now they've been cutting these, the seals. They're just cutting them down to size and just walking them around the mounts. And I'm thinking, no, it's certainly this isn't right. I haven't had to deal with these issues in many, many years, and I just now caught it with mine. I said, surely that can't be right.
It is not what the industry would consider correct. And
yeah, it defeats the purpose of having a proper seal. Correct.
It defeats the purpose, and it defeats the purpose of spending all the extra money for hardware-compatible gasketing like the 2891. But before you get the rope and tie it to the back of the truck, be mindful. I'm sorry about that crude statement, but before you go on a hunt, all those closers are going to have to be repositioned. If you pull the closers off and pull,
they're going to have to come. They're going to have to come down, and new holes put in. They're going to have to drop down a bit. Sure. And
I would add, since they're redoing that, and you'll also catch them on this most likely, you want the inside corner between the header and the jamb. You want those mitered. So if they're going to have to redo everything, have them miter them.
Well, what I've just discovered, I'm bringing this up, is I said, well, who's the door company out here? And they gave me a name. I said, that's not a door company. Well, they just fill the gaps in scope work. They're kind of a specialty company. So essentially, there are people out here who literally don't know anything, and they had asked me about the astragals, and I said, what are you talking about? Well, I think these go on the mullions. I said, no, those don't go on the mullions. You even know what those are for? Oh, yeah, you put them on. I said, no, and that's when I said, what's going on? And I started walking around, seeing what they're doing, and I'm thinking, this is ridiculous. So right now, we have door people out here. I just came out to this job from another one I successfully completed across town, and I'm looking at this, so you can understand my frustration saying, what's going on here? Let me call somebody just to make sure that my brain isn't on the wrong side, on the wrong page here. So you've pretty much just confirmed what I do know. And these are small things that I never really have to worry about because apparently things are done right all the time. And I don't know if that makes any sense at all, but I'm on a job now that I know this is not going well. But that's why they sent me out here. So,
yeah, someone needs to advocate for the owner. That the owner is getting what they're paying for and doing it correct according to the industry is all he's asking for, whether or not he knows to ask for it. Or she.
Yeah, well, I know the former superintendent was fired yesterday, if that helps you out at all. So now I've got to go to the project manager and say, here's the issue. They have put closers on every single door on this project, and there are no seals put up, and the ones that are going up, this is not right. So I just wanted to make sure I confirm that. I've been working with good people. This is a whole different project, and I don't know any of these subcontractors. So this is not good news for us. Okay, listen, you have worked wonders for me right now. I'm greatly appreciative, and yikes, we got a serious issue right now. So,
it turns out I sell gasketing, and my name is Rich from Architectural Builders, so keep us in mind.
Rich, thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.